Bestowing a leader with Person of the Year award may give them a sense of pride, but it also means that we need to work much harder now. There is a sense of responsibility that comes with it, which is inevitable. And I would love to once again invite Mr. Ankush Khanna, the Director for Commercial Brand Marketing, South Asia Pacific at ExxonMobil, to give away the award for the Equipment Leader of the Year 2021.
Behind every successful brand, there is always a highly motivated team. However, the most motivated of teams requires an inspirational leader. Today, we are going to honor one such leader in the category of Equipment Leaders of the Year 2021. And the award goes to Mr. VG Sakthikumar from Schwing Stetter, India. Congratulations.
It's a privilege to receive Equipment Leader for 2021 award from Construction Week and ITP publication. We sincerely thank the jury for selecting Schwing Stetter India as a leader in this category. We dedicate this award to our employees, business partners and customers, and thank you very much.